Good morning to the re-recording session. Uh, I thank Tagma and its organizers for providing SIDBI this opportunity. I'm Chandramouli, DGM of SIDBI at Bengaluru. Today's session regarding corporate presentation of SIDBI and its financial schemes. Next, so SIDBI, you all know, it is a All India financial institution. Our aim is to empower MSMEs to do best things possible. Next, you all be knowing SIDBI about SIDBI, which is an institution, financial institution established under the Act of Parliament way back in 1990. SIDBI is a principal financial institution engaged in promotion, financing, and development of MSME sector and coordination of functions of various institutions engaged in the similar activities. We do a lot of activities. To sum it up, as a principal financial institution, we do a lot of indirect finance activity, indirect lending through banks, small finance banks, SFBs, NBFCs, MFIs. These are our prime activity. We also do direct assistance, direct lending to MSMEs through innovative lending models. We have a fund of fund to support startup ecosystem. We engage in numerous P&D activities to support entrepreneurs and the ecosystem. We are a trusted knowledge agency for MSMEs for various GOI Government of India programs. Next. If you look at the journey of SIDBI, we started in 1990. In 92, we introduced bill discounting, which is a forerunner for in the MSME ecosystem. Bill discounting everybody knows, but MSME is always perceived as a high risk activity. But the MSMEs required an intervention so that they get their timely realization of receivables. We introduced the bill discounting facility way back in 92, which was a highly successful program. And later on, it got replicated by all banking uh, institutions and NBFCs also. In 1999, we started SIDBI Venture Capital. In 2000, CGTMSE, Credit Guarantee Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises, was introduced. And SIDBI rating, SMERA, which is now called Acuity Ratings in 2005, and ISTSL, which is a technology platform in 2005, ISARC, which is a asset reconstruction company in 2008, Mudra loans, very popular in 2005. TREADS is a very important program which benefits MSMEs, is a improvement and a digital intervention of the bill discounting. TREADS and Udyami Mitra and Stand Up Mitra in 2016, and PSB loans in 59 minutes and Cresidex. These are all the introductions in 2018 and other activities we started, which is a continuing journey. Next. Our head office is at Lucknow. We have 10 regional offices across India, 82 branch offices and resident representative offices, Express Loan Service Centers. It is a loan processing center. We have six. We have specialized recovery branches, 20 verticals in all SIDBI, operating various activities of SIDBI, which are located at Lucknow, Mumbai, and New Delhi. This is the uh, footprint of SIDBI. Next, please. If we quickly look into our institutional finance, which is the indirect finance activity, which is to ensure adequate liquidity in the system for supporting the MSMEs. So this is an important aspect. We have more than 44 banks, 30 NBFCs, 60 MFIs supported through this intervention, and and this indirect finance reaches out to the last mile. We support the entire ecosystem by this indirect finance so that it is reached through banks, NBFCs, MFIs to the last mile. So this is a huge activity which SIDBI is engaging it. Next, to support the ecosystem, MSME ecosystem. MSME itself is not a unique dimensional; it is multidimensional. There are various aspirations. There are brick and mortar MSMEs. There are technology, knowledge-based MSMEs. There are startups. There are young entrepreneurs coming out of college or techpreneurs who want to do something different. So, to support various requirements, we have various types of activities. The fund of funds is towards supporting the ecosystem, where we operate primarily two funds. One is an Aspire fund, and primarily focused on rural agro industries and startup enterprises, and also fund of fund for startups, which is depicted. Next, please. So in this, we enters into an arrangement with the fund manager of alternate investment fund, and those investment funds typically assist or invest in technology and high tech enterprises of startups, and this is how SIDBI means it's a chain reaction. We assist them, and through fund of fund we reach many number of investment opportunities for MSMEs in the startup arena. Next, ma'am. So let me come to the important aspect where Pragma may be much interested, the entrepreneurs under Pragma, which is a direct credit activity of SIDBI, which actually typically fills the credit gaps in the MSME ecosystem. We are not, we are assisting the ecosystem. The scheduled commercial banks and NBFCs, they are very much there, which are assisting the MSMEs. So we give in the direct finance, we fill the niche gaps, which is what we do. Next, to understand this, if a typical view of the MSME sector, which is a growth engine for any economy, and for a developing country like India, it is very much required. MSME sector is a economic growth, entrepreneurship development, and financial inclusion and employment creation. These are the growth engine which MSME sector addresses to. So some typical data is there. MSME contributes more than 37.5% to the GDP, 40% of the exports, 45% of the manufacturing output of the country. So the significant role of MSME is very well known. With this background, let us go forward. Next, please. So typically, as soon as we think of MSME, or the many people, they jump to the conclusion that finance is more important. Finance is quite important, but what are the constraints the MSME faces? If we quickly look into the feedback which comes is market linkages are the prime. Inadequate market linkages constitute the biggest constraint, because an MSME, you want to start something, ultimately you have to sell it, you have to link to the market. How you link, how easily you link, ease of market linkages are looked into as an important constraint, which are being addressed by various MSME support agencies, including SIDBI. Lack of infrastructure, either in the startup or in the logistics, multiple ways. This is one important constraint. Inadequate and finance is one important. Again, lack of managerial competence. There are a lot of techpreneurs and others who are starting up, or um, uh, uh, technical people who start an MSME, or in the rural segment, they lack managerial competence to steer forward the MSME. The captaining of the unit is an important constraint, and most important, which we are facing is obsolete technology. Still, old technology, energy machines are being used. If we want to fight challenge of China and the emerging world, we have to adapt latest technologies. We are supporting these activities. These are all the gaps, and we're trying to address various areas to enable in the MSME system move forward. Next. So we have structured our direct finance activities into various baskets: project finance, machinery finance, green products, energy saving activities to support for traders, for existing our only once you become a customer, your requirements will be different. So for them, products for acquiring products connected with acquiring of land for expansion. Many times, expansion there is a constraint many SMEs face. In this area, we have products related to COVID-19. In these difficult times, certain products have been devised for that and for the informal sector. So these are all the gap areas where these assisting are entering into. Next. Coming to our promotion and development area, primary thing is promoting entrepreneurship. How do you promote entrepreneurship? It is by providing them the support system, by providing them the information. So our mission Swavalamban means self uh, enabled. So in the Sampark, some that is connecting with the MSMEs, we do a series of activities. Samvad, the dialogue we keep with the MSMEs and the ecosystem. Suraksha, to enable the safety of the environment, create an enabling environment so that they can comfortably work and move forward. The MSMEs, entrepreneurs to lead their unit forward, and constructive engagement, some friction. These are all our strategy to in the mission Swavalamban. Next, SIDBI as a facilitator and thought leader, we have various knowledge products. If you enter come to SIDBI's website or Udyami Mitra portal, please visit, and you can see our knowledge products which are under display, where you will get a lot of information. MSME Pulse, Residex, these are all publications which gives you an insight. We have a digital initiatives, Udyami Mitra portal and PSP loans in 59 minutes to help MSMEs get the adequate finance and information. We are a nodal agency of Government of India for various subsidy related activities, and also MSME Saksham Capital. So for that awareness programs we are continuously doing. These are all our P&D related activities. Next, again, our subsidiaries, our network. See, we have SIDBI Venture Capital, SVCL, Mudra loans, which is to provide refinance support to small units. We have CGTMSC, and which is very well known. RXIL is its platform, so that trade receivables discounting system, which we have done substantially, help the MSMEs realize receivables through the ecosystem and complying with the MSME Act. And SIDBI rating agency Acuity, India SME Construction ISARC, and India SME Technology Services ISTSL, and online platform for PSB loans in 59 minutes. These are all our subsidiaries. Next. Now, I will quickly introduce schemes which JAGMA members will be interested, which is PEED scheme number one, which is SIDBI loan for purchase of equipment for entrepreneurs. We call it SPEED. This scheme is to enable customers. Um, yeah, the target customers here under the SIDBI loan for purchase of equipment for enterprise development are those who seek finance for purchase of machinery. Typically, MSMEs who are running well in this particular period, they want additional finance to acquire new machines, state-of-art machines. For this, we have launched this scheme. Here, normally MSMEs, what they do, they go to standard OEMs like ACE or Jyoti Machines or Milacron or whoever. So these types of OEMs, they purchase the equipment. SIDBI has entered into an MOU with these people, and so that MSMEs can get uh, best price and best terms of finance. So, in MSMEs who are going to purchase these types of equipments, they can approach through the OEM or directly to SIDBI for assistance. Here, if you are new to SIDBI, up to 1 crore loan can be availed. If you are already a SIDBI customer, up to 2 crores. The primary thing here is the unit should have been in operation. At least 3 years vintage is expected. 2 years of, we're not looking at net profit, at least cash profit should be there. We understand the difficulties MSMEs face. So at least 2 years cash profit, you should not be out of cash, and sales should be stabilized. That that means if somebody has achieved a sales of 1 crore in the first year, and second year, if it is slightly, uh, it should be improving. Supposing 1 crore in the first year, second year it comes to 10 lakhs, third year it goes to 30 lakhs. If it is erratic, then it reflects upon the managerial capability. So we emphasize on corporate governance and managerial capability. So a capable MSME entrepreneur, he will stabilize his sales. He knows how to at least generate the cash profit. So intention is 2 years vintage, 2 years of cash profits, at least no operational loss. You should be able to run your unit without much of operational loss. So even if you want to start, typically this is for an existing well-run unit. If it is a green run started by experienced promoters who have already SIDBI borrower, that also we can consider under this scheme. It is a quick dispensation scheme where up to within 3 to 4 days of submission of a simple application, loan will be sanctioned. The repayment period would be typically 2 to 5 years, because depending upon the useful life of the machine, and this will be structured and capability and minimum financial parameters of the company. So as per the internal rating, interest rates would be between 7.99 to 8.42. And if it is in lease premises, right of access should be ensured by the customer. Key attractions is 100% finance will be provided to the company without much ado, and this will be fully eligible for any subsidies, credit link subsidies also. As far as promoters' contribution, which are required towards this, typically 25% or something, it can be kept as an FD with SIDBI, which the interest will be earned by the company only. So the coverage will be those machines purchased from identified OEMs of SIDBI, and it's a simple one page application. Quick dispensation is the idea of the scheme. This scheme, Tagma members, please utilize, and it will be beneficial. Next. So that is a typical OEM general purpose general mission. We have also identified requirement where SIDBI loan for purchase of equipment for enterprise development speed plus. Here, MSM is seeking finance for purchase of high-end machines. It is not a regular machine. You go to your experienced promoter. Now you want to go to the next level. You want a better machine, so that the cost will be more. We understand that. Here also we kept the similar scheme parameters like speed, but only high-end machines identified by approved by SIBI will be covered under this. Here, uh, loan up to instead new to SIDBI also up to in it was 1 crore. Here up to 2 crores we will be able to extend. what we look at is at least 5-year vintage and minimum sales of 5 crores. That is, you have to stabilize your operation and you will show the growth path. 3 years of cash profit we are looking into stabilized sales. So here also the interest rates are quite attractive. It's a quick dispensation, similar to speed. Only thing is the vintage should be a little higher and the machinery should be of high end variety. This is for speakers. Next, next. One more scheme which is very important, which is a green cover, we call it STAR, simply term loan assistance to rooftop solar PV plants. MSME friends who are interested to know the cost control is also one of their important key criterion. So if you go to adapt solar and energy saving things, there are a lot of incentives by the government, local governments, energy offset also, energy cost offset also are there. So if you want to utilize this to control your cost and also to go green, here City also here also 100% finance, simplified loan product, vintage minimum 3 years. So these products are available. If you want to put a rooftop project, please come and assist approach City. We will be able to assist you. Next. Next scheme is we call it a Pratham, which is similar to Speed and Speed Plus, which is also for existing well-performing units. This is priority assistance to MSMEs based on hybrid or alternative security model. That is called Pratham. Here, earlier we told in the Speed and Speed Plus, you can buy equipment from OEMs where SIDBI has tied up with them. Here, you can buy from any other agency. This is also simplified product, but only little more items of feedback which will be required. That is, um, units, uh, the vintage normally we're looking at five repayment of 5 years and minimum 30 to 35% FD to be deposited. Similar to this one, only we have to do due diligence of the machineries, whoever you are buying from, and uh, minimum 3 years of operations. And here we are looking typically there should be net profits in your operations. Here you can buy from any other well-known source. We'll be able to assist up to 100%. This is a Pratham scheme. All these three schemes, all these four schemes which I told, Speed, Speed Plus, Star, and Pratham, are for well-run MSME units who want to quickly expand, grow to the next level, acquire equipment without much requirement, much of collateral securities, or much constraint of that. Well-run units, you please approach SIDBI, you will get a good product. That is what we are trying to tell. Next. All this time I have been explaining about certain schemes which are for existing well-run unit, but SIDBI is here to assist you for all your requirements. Any new product, new project, or existing project which is based of which is having some other requirements, you can always approach SIDBI. All project-based assistance we will be able to assist on merits. The repayment will be structured as per the project's growth path, and and structuring of moratorium also will be flexible. So the only thing is, please approach SIDBI with your viable product and minimal risk mitigants in the form of asset coverage ratios, which you will understand once you come to SIDBI, discuss all those issues, and all projects of yours can be assisted on merits. Next. Apart from this, our digital initiative, again I'm coming back, please visit our portal startup standupmitra.in or Udyami Mitra. This is a program launched way back in 2016 by Honorable Prime Minister. Next, please. Under this idea is an India basis. It's an indirect credit scheme. At least one SCST or core entrepreneur to be assisted by each commercial bank branch pan India. Loans will be given to greenfield projects. In case of non-individual enterprises, at least 51% of shareholding should be held by entrepreneurs belonging to SCST or woman. So the borrower should not be typically in default with any institution. That we can understand. So this scheme, the Stand-up India scheme, is targeted to this SCST and women entrepreneurs. Amount of loan 10 lakh to 1 crore, and about 35% of the project cost would be assisted. And besides primary security, loan guarantee also will be available up to 7 years. Kindly visit this Stand Up India portal and avail this facility. Next. Thank you. This is a brief of SIDBI's direct lending and indirect lending activities. Friends, entrepreneur friends, MSME friends, please visit SIDBI's office, SIDBI's portal, SIDBI's website, and enrich yourself, empower yourself, and continue your journey. Best wishes. Thank you. Thank you too. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.